Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain easy guitar chords. We'll dive right into the fundamental building blocks that will get you playing your favorite tunes in no time. Mastering just a handful of these simple chords can open up a world of musical possibilities, allowing you to play hundreds of popular songs. We'll focus on open position chords, which are perfect for beginners, and discuss how consistent practice is key to developing the necessary finger strength and muscle memory for smooth playing. Let's start with three incredibly versatile open chords: C major, G major, and D major. The C major chord is played using 3 fingers across the first, second, and third frets, providing a bright, full sound. For G major, you'll typically use 3 or 4 fingers, spanning the first 3 frets, to achieve its rich, foundational tone. Finally, D major is a compact chord, using 3 fingers on the second and third frets across 3 strings, perfect for many upbeat songs. Now, let's talk about effective practice techniques to master these chords and transitions. Begin by practicing switching between just 2 chords, like C to G, very slowly. Focus on placing your fingers correctly and ensuring each string rings out clearly before you move. Gradually increase your speed, perhaps using a metronome to keep a steady beat. Aim for smooth, fluid changes, as this is crucial for playing songs seamlessly. Consistent, short practice sessions are more effective than infrequent long ones. With these easy chords under your belt, you're ready to play your first songs. You'll be amazed at how many popular tunes use just 3 or 4 basic chords. Start by finding simple songs that utilize the C, G, and D chords we discussed. Practice different strumming patterns with these chord progressions to add rhythm and feel. There are countless online resources and tutorials specifically designed for beginners, offering step-by-step guidance to help you play along to your favorite tracks in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.